cried when they locked me up. Said, son, you were born for better luck. Did my time, learned how to pray. Now I'm free and I'm finding my way. Got an old Ford sitting in the drive, rust and dust, but she still rides fine. Turn that key and it feels brand new. Forever begins and ends with you. We've all been lost, we've all been found under the same sun burning this small town. 'Cause trucks don't care who you love, long as you feel that bed with dreams and mud. Don't care who's riding shotgun tonight, if your heart's on fire and the stars shine bright. By the river where we all get high on life, laugh until we see that morning light. Yeah, the road don't judge, the sky's enough, and trucks don't care who you love. Cold bed chillin' in a Coleman chest, got my buddies, got my heart confessing. You showed up in cut off jeans, stealing my breath like a movie scene. Mama called, said, boy, you sound alive. Told her, yeah, I finally got it right. And when your hand slipped into mine, I knew forever begins and ends with you. You can lead a horse to water, but you can't see the forest for the trees. 'Cause trucks don't care who you love, long as you feel that bed with dreams and mud. Don't care who's riding shotgun tonight, if your heart's on fire and the stars shine bright. By the river where we all get high on life, laugh until we see that morning light. Yeah, the road don't judge, the sky's enough, and trucks don't care who you love. Let the engine hum that freedom song, where right feels right and wrong's long gone. Roll the windows down, let the world see you and me just meant to be. 'Cause trucks don't care who you love, they just wanna roll when the night heats up. Don't care who's riding shotgun tonight, if it feels like home then it's right, it's right.